Iran has just accepted China's offer. But this isn't just another diplomatic handshake, it's a game changer. A move that could disrupt global power balances, ignite tensions in the Middle East, and challenge Western dominance like never before. But what exactly did Iran agree to? What does China stand to gain? And more importantly, what does this mean for the rest of the world? Stick with us, because the next few minutes might open your eyes to a new world order forming, right under our noses. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because the truth may shock you. Now let's dive in. The deal unveiled. The Iran-China 25-year Strategic Pact, the 25-year Strategic Cooperation Agreement between Iran and China, signed in March 2021, has transitioned from a document on paper to a tangible reality, reshaping the geopolitical landscape. At its core, the deal is a comprehensive partnership, not merely a trade agreement. China's pledge of a staggering $400 billion investment is designed to overhaul Iran's dilapidated infrastructure, spanning transportation networks, energy grids, and telecommunications systems. This capital infusion arrives at a crucial juncture for Iran, besieged by crippling sanctions and economic stagnation. In return, Iran commits to supplying China with a stable, discounted flow of oil, a lifeline for China's burgeoning economy. The reported 700,000 barrels per day ensures China's energy security while providing Iran with a reliable revenue stream. Beyond economics, the pact encompasses military cooperation, including joint drills, intelligence sharing, and arms development. This aspect raises significant concerns in Western capitals, as it signals a deepening security alignment. Strategic port access for China, particularly at Chabahar and Bandar Abbas, grants Beijing a crucial foothold in the Persian Gulf and Indian Ocean, potentially altering regional maritime power dynamics. The multifaceted nature of this deal, economic, military, technological, and geopolitical, underscores its transformative potential, signaling a significant shift in the balance of power. Economic domino effect. Iran's economy transformed. Iran's economy, reeling from years of stringent Western sanctions, particularly those imposed by the U.S., views the China Pact as a vital economic lifeline. The stark reality of Iran's economic decline is evident in its GDP, which plummeted from $450 billion in 2012 to approximately $230 billion in 2024. The influx of Chinese investments is projected to catalyze a rapid economic recovery, potentially boosting Iran's GDP to over $300 billion within 2 to 3 years. These investments will fuel large-scale infrastructure projects, creating over 1 million jobs and stimulating domestic demand. The revival of Iran's oil exports, once severely curtailed, will provide a steady stream of revenue, directly benefiting China. China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, identifies Iran as a linchpin in its regional strategy, connecting Central Asia to Europe. A stabilized, economically vibrant Iran is crucial for the BRI's success, anchoring China's influence in the region. However, this economic resurgence has profound implications for the West. The US and Europe are witnessing a strategic erosion of their influence as Iran transitions from an isolated pariah state to a key player in China's regional ambitions. The loss of leverage over Iran's economy translates to a diminished ability to shape regional dynamics. Military alignment, a new axis of power? The military dimension of the Iran-China agreement is a source of acute concern for Western powers. The burgeoning military cooperation between the two nations is manifesting in tangible ways, including joint naval exercises in the Persian Gulf. These exercises signal a deepening security alignment, challenging the established maritime dominance of the U.S. There are credible reports suggesting that China is providing Iran with advanced missile technology, enhancing Iran's offensive capabilities. Furthermore, Iran's drone and cyber warfare capabilities are undergoing significant modernization, bolstered by Chinese AI and technological expertise. The specter of a formal security alliance looms large, with the potential for China to establish naval bases in Iranian ports. This would grant Beijing direct access to the Middle East's most volatile regions, significantly altering the strategic calculus for the U.S., which maintains the Fifth Fleet in Bahrain. The potential for a new axis of power, with China and Iran aligning militarily, poses a direct challenge to U.S. security interests and regional stability. The implications of this military alignment extend beyond the immediate region, potentially reshaping global power dynamics. The geopolitical shuffle. Middle East power shift. The strengthening ties between Iran and China are triggering a significant geopolitical reshuffle in the Middle East. Regional powers, including Saudi Arabia, Israel, and the Gulf states, are closely monitoring these developments, reassessing their strategic alignments. Israel has expressed deep concerns about the potential use of Chinese technology in Iran's nuclear facilities, viewing this as a direct threat to its security. Saudi Arabia, a traditional U.S. ally, is now reconsidering its strategic position, particularly as China actively courts Riyadh. The Gulf states, wary of Iran's economic and military resurgence, are contemplating hedging their bets between Washington and Beijing. This geopolitical realignment signals a potential decline in U.S. unipolarity in the Middle East, as regional powers seek to diversify their partnerships. The emergence of China as a dominant player in the region introduces new complexities and uncertainties, potentially leading to increased competition and instability. The traditional alliances and security arrangements are being challenged, prompting a reassessment of regional power dynamics. The energy war: petro-yuan versus petrodollar. A significant aspect of the Iran-China deal is the settlement of oil transactions in yuan, rather than dollars. This move poses a substantial threat to the U.S. dollar's dominance in the global energy market. If more nations follow Iran's lead, the petrodollar system, which has underpinned U.S. financial leverage, could weaken. This shift could diminish the effectiveness of U.S. sanctions, as countries seek alternative financial mechanisms. China's digital yuan could gain increased legitimacy in international trade, challenging the traditional financial order. The financial consequences of this shift are profound. If China and Iran successfully persuade other sanctioned nations, such as Russia, Venezuela, or certain African states, to adopt yuan-based transactions, it could reshape global finance. The implications extend beyond energy markets, potentially impacting the broader global financial system. The emergence of a multi-currency system could erode the U.S. dollar's status as the world's reserve currency, leading to a more fragmented and competitive financial landscape. Cyber and tech. The Great Firewall expands. Iran's adoption of elements from China's technological model signals a significant ideological shift, with implications for digital governance and surveillance. The implementation of AI surveillance systems in major Iranian cities reflects a growing emphasis on state control and monitoring. Internet censorship tools, modeled after China's Great Firewall, are being deployed to restrict access to information and control online narratives. Joint development of secure 5G networks further solidifies this technological alignment, diminishing Western influence in Iran's digital infrastructure. This technological cooperation extends beyond mere infrastructure development, encompassing an ideological dimension. China's model of digital authoritarianism, characterized by state control and surveillance, is finding fertile ground in Iran, a theocracy already accustomed to state intervention. The convergence of these two models raises concerns about the erosion of digital freedoms and the expansion of state surveillance capabilities. The implications of this technological alignment extend beyond Iran, potentially influencing other nations seeking to emulate China's model of digital governance. Implications for the West. Strategic nightmares. The burgeoning Iran-China partnership presents U.S. policymakers with a multifaceted challenge, encompassing strategic, economic, and technological dimensions. The erosion of U.S. influence in the Middle East, coupled with China's growing military presence near U.S. bases, poses a direct challenge to U.S. security interests. The diminishing effectiveness of U.S. sanctions, as countries seek alternative financial mechanisms, further complicates the U.S. policy response. The prospect of the Global South realigning with Beijing over Washington necessitates a reassessment of U.S. diplomatic strategies. For Europe, the challenges are equally significant. Trade routes through the Middle East, now potentially under Chinese control, introduce new vulnerabilities. The growing dependency on U.S. military presence is increasingly viewed as a liability, prompting European nations to reconsider their strategic autonomy. The emergence of a multipolar world, with China as a dominant player, necessitates a recalibration of Western foreign policy and security strategies. The people's perspective. Iranian public opinion. Iranian public opinion regarding the China deal is characterized by a mix of reactions, reflecting the diverse socio-economic realities within the country. Some Iranians celebrate the potential for job creation and economic relief, viewing the deal as a lifeline in the face of crippling sanctions. Others express concerns about increased state surveillance and the potential for exploitative practices by Chinese companies. Protests and support for the deal exist in equal measure, highlighting the polarized nature of Iranian society. However, a common thread among many Iranians is a desire for stability, a sense of security that China seems to offer. The average Iranian, weary of economic hardship and political uncertainty, views the deal as a potential pathway to a more stable future. The public discourse surrounding the deal reflects the complex interplay of economic aspirations, political anxieties, and national pride. The long-term implications of the deal will ultimately depend on how it impacts the lives of ordinary Iranians. The regional response. Allies or adversaries? The regional response to the Iran-China deal is characterized by a complex interplay of strategic calculations and geopolitical considerations. Russia, a key ally of both Iran and China, welcomes the deal, viewing it as a complementary element in its anti-Western agenda. India, traditionally a partner with Iran in the Chabahar port project, expresses concerns about the shifting regional dynamics. Turkey, wary of Iran's resurgence, remains hesitant to directly challenge China's growing influence. The regional chessboard is undergoing a rapid reconfiguration, with nations reassessing their alliances and strategic alignments. The emergence of China as a dominant player introduces new complexities and uncertainties, potentially leading to increased competition and instability. The traditional alliances and security arrangements are being challenged, prompting a reassessment of regional power dynamics. The implications of the deal extend beyond the immediate region, potentially reshaping global power dynamics. What happens next? The unfolding scenario following Iran's full acceptance of China's strategic offer paints a turbulent future. Within 5 years, a tangible manifestation of this partnership could materialize, a Chinese military base on Iranian soil. This development would fundamentally alter the regional security landscape, granting China a permanent foothold in the Middle East and challenging U.S. naval dominance. In response, the U.S. is likely to escalate its economic pressure, imposing secondary sanctions on Chinese firms involved in the Iranian projects. This move aims to disrupt the burgeoning economic ties between the two nations, but may also strain U.S.-China relations further. Emboldened by China's unwavering support, Iran could decisively exit the JCPOA nuclear deal, resuming its nuclear program with renewed vigor. This action would trigger international alarm, raising the specter of nuclear proliferation in an already volatile region. The heightened tensions could then precipitate a regional conflict, with Israel potentially targeting Iranian infrastructure to neutralize the perceived nuclear threat. Such a conflict would have devastating consequences, destabilizing the entire Middle East and drawing in other global powers. Furthermore, the Iran-China alliance could serve as a model for other nations seeking to challenge the Western-dominated global order. Countries like Venezuela, North Korea, and Syria, already under Western sanctions, might form a Chinese-led bloc, creating a counterweight to U.S. influence. This realignment would reshape global geopolitics, creating new spheres of influence and potentially leading to a more fragmented and confrontational international system. The next phase hinges on how these scenarios unfold, demanding close monitoring of diplomatic and military developments. Any of these could destabilize the already fragile global system. Iran accepting China's offer is not just a regional event, it's a global inflection point. It signals the rise of a multipolar world, where U.S. dominance is contested by Beijing's strategic patience and financial firepower. This deal is about more than oil, ports, or even weapons. It's about who gets to shape the 21st century. Are we prepared for what comes next? What do you think will happen now that Iran has accepted China's offer? Will this spark a new Cold War? Will the U.S. retaliate? Or is this just the beginning of China's silent global takeover? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world's most critical geopolitical shifts. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. The world is changing fast. Stay informed, stay curious.